Chapter 2 Raktapitta Chikitsa Treatment of Bleeding Disease Part 1 Adhado Raktapitta Chikitsidam Vyakyasyaamaha Ideha Smahuraatreya Adayo Maharshayaha. We shall now expound the chapter Raktapitta Chikitsa Treatment of Raktapitta or Bleeding Disease. Thus said Atreya and other great sages. Raktapitta Sadhya Asadhyata Prognosis of Bleeding Disorders. Sadhya Raktapitta ഊർധ്വകം ബലിനോ അവേഗം ഏകദോഷാനുഗം നവം രക്തപിത്തം സുഖേ കാലേ സാധയേ നിരുപദ്രവം. ഊർധ്വക രക്തപിത്ത, that is രക്തപിത്ത which is of upward direction, bleeding from upper parts of body such as nose, mouth, ears, etc. Balino, in seen in a strong person. Avekam, who is having mild bouts of bleeding. Ekadoshanagam, produced by any one dosha. Navam, new or recent onset. Sukhe Kale, appearing at a favorable time. Nirubadravam, having no complication or secondary affection, is said to be Sadhya Rektapitta. Yapya Rektapitta, Adhokam, Yabayet Rektam, Yacha Doshadvayanukam, Shantam Shanta Punaha, Kripaya Kupyadi, Margan Margandaram Cha Yed. Adhoka Rektapitta, Rektapitta which is of downward direction, that is bleeding from urethra, rectum, vagina. Dosha Dvayanukam, that is produced by two dosha. Shantam Shanta, Punaha Kupyan, recurring often after subsiding. Marga Margandaram, changing from one channel to another, is said to be Yapya Rektapitta. Asadhya Rektapitta, Adi Pravartam, Mandagnehe, Tridosham Dvipadam Tyachet. Adi Pravartam, that which bleeds heavily. Mandagni, found in a person who has poor digestive power. Tridosham, produced by all three dosha. Dvipadam, that manifesting in both directions, should be rejected. Raktapitta Chikitsa Kramam, procedure of treatment. Jnatva Nidhanamayanam, Malavanu Anubalo, Balam, Deshakala Dvaya Deshakala Yavavastam, Deshakaladi Avastam, Cha Rektapitte Prayojayet, Lankanam Brahmanam Va Adau, Shodanam Shamanam Tatha. Having clearly determined the cause or nidhana, direction or ayana, mala or chief causative dosha, anubala, secondary dosha, strength or bala of the patient and disease, condition of desha, kala, season and stage of disease, treatment of Raktapitta should be commenced either with Langana, that is therapy to make the body thin, or Brahmana, therapy to make the body stout, with either Shodhana, purificatory therapy, or Shamana, palliative therapies. Sandarpanodham balino bahudoshasya sadhayet urdhvabhagam viregena vamanena tu adhogadam. Shamanaihi brahmanaihi cha anya lengana brahmayana vekshya cha. Avekshya cha. That Raktapitta, which is produced by Sandarpana, Sandarpanodam, overnourishment, Balino, in a strong person, Bahudoshasya, caused by many dosha, should be treated by Vireka or purgation therapy if it is of upward direction, and by Vamana, emesis therapy, if it is of downward direction, or by Shamana, palliative, and Brahmana, stoutening or nourishing therapy, after finding out whether the patient is fit for Lankana and Brahmana therapies. Urdhvam pravrte shamanau, rasau, tikta kashayagau, upavasascha, nishundi, shadangodaga, painaha. Urdhvam pravarte, when it is of upward direction, administration of drug having shamana, that is mitigating the dosha, taste, vis, tikta kashayako, bitter and astringent, upavasa, fasting, drinking shadangodaga, devoid of shundi, should be adhered to. Adhoge, rekta pittetu brahmano, madhuro rasa. In case of downward direction, it should be brahmano, madhuro, use of sweet taste, which is nourishing, brahmana. So what is Shadanga Paniya? Shadangodaka or Shadanga Paniya is drinking water prepared by boiling with 6 drugs, that is Chandana, Shundi, Ambu, Ghana, Parpada, Ushira. But in Rakta Pitta, we should prepare Shadanga Paniya without Shundi. Urdhvage Tarpanam Yojyam Prakcha Peya tu Adhogade. In case of upward direction, tarpana should be given first as food, and in case of downward direction, peya should be given first. Ashwado bhalino ashuddham na dharyam tadhi rogakrit. If the patient is eating well and strong, the impure blood that is flowing out should not be stopped. If done so, it is going to produce diseases. Dharayet anyada shikram agnivat shikrakari tad. If otherwise, if patient is not eating well and is weak, the bleeding should be stopped soon as it is going to kill the patient quickly. Virechana yoga in Rakta Pitta, that is a purgative recipes. Trivrit Shyama Kashayena Kalkena Chasacharkaram Sadhayet Vidhivat Leham Lihyat Paniram Tadaha. Should be prepared as per procedure with the decoction and the paste of Dravat and Shama and sugar. Shakara. It should be licked 1 pani tala or karsha per dose. Pravarta Tripala Shyama Pippali Sharkara Madhu Modakaha Sannibhada Urdhva Rekta Shobha Jwarabaha. A modaka prepared from Trivart Triphala Shyama Pippali along with Sharkara or sugar and Madhu should cure Rektapitta caused by all dosha, that is Sannibhada Rektapitta. Also of upward direction, Urdhvaka Rektapitta, dropsy, Shobha and fever, Jwara. Travat Samasitha Tatvat Pippali Pada Samyuta. Similarly, the bolas or modaka prepared with equal quantity of Trivat and Sitha and 1/4 part of Pippali also should be taken. Vamana Yoga, emetic recipes. Vamanam Phala Samyuktam, Tarpanam Sasitha Madhu, Sasidam va Jalam Kshaudra Yuktam va, Madhu Ghodagam, Kshiram va, Rasamiksho va. Tarpana mixed with powder of phala, madana phala, added with sita and madhu should be used for vamana, followed by drinking either sugar water, sita, chalam, honey water, madhudagam, water boiled with madhuka, milk or sugarcane juice, ikshu rasam. शुद्धस्य अनन्तरो विधिः यदा स्वं मन्दपेयादिः प्रयोज्य रक्षता बलम्. After purificatory therapy, the other regimen of these therapies such as drinking, manda, peya, etc. should be adhered to, protecting the strength of the body constantly. So what are manda, peya, vilebi, yavaku? The Mandapeya, Vilebi and Yavagu are all type of Patya Kalpana, which are preparation in Ayurvedic medicine that are believed to provide food with all required nutrients. The difference between this preparation is the proportion of the rice and water used and the part of the rice that is taken. Manda, it is a thin gruel made by boiling 1 part of rice in 14 parts of water, only taking the liquid portion. Peya is the preparation that takes equal part of solid rice and liquid. Vilebi is a preparation that takes only the solid part of the rice and is boiled in a 1:4 ratio of rice to water until it becomes soft. Yavagu, a preparation that takes more solid rice and less liquid. Mandakalpana. Mandakalpanas mentioned in Rektapitta Chikilsa. Drakshadi Manda. Mando Jwarokto Drakshadi. Drakshadi Manda mentioned in the treatment of the fever should be adopted. Pittaknehi va phalehi kradaha, or that manda prepared from fruits which mitigate pitta should be used. Madhu Garjuradi Manda. Madhu Garjura, Mrudviga, Parushaga, Siddhambasa, Mando va Panchasarena Sagridai, Laja Saktubihi. Manda or Panchasara prepared from Madhu, Garjura, Mrudvika, Parushaga, Siddha and water added with Grida, Laja Saktu may be used. Dadima amalakati manda. Dadima amalaka amlo va manda agni amlabhilashina. For those who have manda agni, poor digestion, amla abhilashini, desire sour taste. Manda prepared from dadima and amalaka should be used. Peya kalpanas. Ardhadaihi vihidaha peya vakshande pada yogikaha. Peya prepared from the duck in the following 3 half verse and next 4 in quarter verses should be made of for adhoka rektapitta. Kamala, Utpala, Kinchilka, Prishniparni, Priyangugaha, Ushira Shabharam Rodham, Srinkaberam Kuchantanam, Hriberam Dadaki Pushpam, Vilmavadyam Duralaba. Next set is Bhunamba, Sevya, Jaladha, Masura, Prishniparni, Vidhari Ganda, Mudrascha, Bala, Sarpi, Harenukha. Mamsarasa and Yavaku Kalpana. Jankalani na mamsani शीतवीर्याणि साधयेत् पृथक् जले तेषां यवागुः kalpayet rase. Meat of animals of desert-like region, that is Jankala mamsa, which are Shita Virya called in potency, should be processed separately in water with of drugs mentioned above, and from that mamsa rasa, that is meat soup, and yavagu should be prepared. शीताः सशर्कराः क्षौद्राः तद्वत् मांसरसानपि ईषत् आम्लान् अनम्लान् वा घृता भृष्टान् सशर्करान्. It should be cooled and added with sugar and honey or meat juice. Ishad amlan anamlan with slight sour taste or not having sour taste. Grida brishtan fried in ghee and sasharkaran added with sugar may be used. शोगशिम्बीभवं धान्यं रक्ते शाकं च शस्यते अन्नस्वरूपविज्ञाने यदुक्तं लघुशीतलम्. Grains with spiked legumes and vegetable, that is shogashimbi dhanyam, which are lagusheetalam, easily digestible and cold in potency Shida Viryam mentioned in Annaswarupa Vijnana, that is in chapter 6 of Sutrasthana, are best suited for the Rekta Pitta. पूर्वोक्तमम्बो पानीयं पञ्चमूलेन वा सृतं लघुना सृतशीतं वा मध्वम्बो वा फलाम्बो वा. Water mentioned earlier, that is Shadankapaniya without Shundi, water boiled with Legu Panchamulam and cooled. Madhu ambu, Phala ambu should be used for drinking. Shashaha Savastugaha Shasto Vibhande. Meat of rabbit or shasha along with Vastuga is beneficial when there is constipation. Tittirihi punaha udumbarasya niryohe sadito marude adike. Meat of tittiri boiled with the decoction of udumbara is beneficial when there is predominance of maruda. Plakshasya barhinaha tadvad nyagrodasya cha kukkudaha. Similarly, the meat of peacock boiled in decoction of plaksha and meat of fowl or kukkuda boiled in decoction of nyagroda can also be used. Marudhadike, tittiri mamsa with udhumbara niryoha, barhina, that is peacock meat with plaksha, kukkuda mamsa with nyagroda. Yad kinchit rektapittasya nidhanam tacha varjayet. Any cause which gives rise to rektapitta should be avoided. So here ends the first part. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video for more updates. Thank you.